This doesn't look like a normal camper, and it definitely doesn't look like a normal tricycle. What you're looking at right now is the 2027 Tiny Camper Tricycle RV, and it's one of the most creative, compact, and conversation-starting homes on wheels we've seen in a long time. At first glance, it almost feels like something straight out of a futuristic art gallery. But the moment you look closer, you realize this thing isn't just about looks. It's about redefining how small, mobile living can actually work. The design immediately grabs attention. That smooth, rounded body doesn't scream aggressive or bulky like traditional RVs. Instead, it feels friendly, modern, and almost playful. The hand-painted mural along the side isn't just decoration. It tells a story of travel, freedom, landscapes, and movement. This camper doesn't want to blend in. It wants to be remembered. And the tricycle layout is what truly changes everything. Rear wheels provide stability, while the single front wheel keeps it agile and compact. This setup allows the camper to navigate tight city streets, narrow mountain roads, and crowded campgrounds where full-size RVs wouldn't even dare to go. It's not built to dominate highways. It's built to explore places others can't reach. Now let's talk about size, because this is where most people get confused. Yes, it's tiny. But no, it doesn't feel limiting. Step inside, and the space instantly feels smarter than expected. The layout is clean, intentional, and extremely efficient. Every inch is used for a purpose, without making the interior feel cramped or cluttered. Large windows wrap around the cabin, flooding the space with natural light and giving you panoramic views wherever you park. Whether you're beside a forest, near the ocean, or parked in a quiet city corner, the outside world always feels connected to the inside. The living area is simple, warm, and functional. Soft seating transforms effortlessly into a sleeping area, giving you a comfortable bed without wasting daytime space. The materials feel modern yet cozy. Light tones, smooth finishes, and subtle curves that match the exterior design language. Nothing feels sharp or boxy. Everything flows. The kitchenette may be compact, but it's surprisingly capable. A small countertop, integrated sink, and storage cabinets allow you to prepare meals without relying on restaurants or campsites. It's not about luxury cooking, it's about independence. Making your own coffee in the morning, cooking a simple meal at sunset, living on your own terms. Storage is hidden everywhere. Under seats, inside wall panels, above the sleeping area. The designers clearly understood that in a tiny camper, storage isn't optional, it's survival. And somehow, they managed to include it all without making the interior feel heavy or crowded. What really stands out is how quiet and calm this camper feels. Unlike traditional RVs with loud engines and mechanical noise, this tricycle camper is designed for smooth, relaxed travel. Whether electric or hybrid assisted, the focus is efficiency, low noise, and low stress. It's built for people who don't want to rush, people who enjoy the journey as much as the destination. And let's be honest, this isn't for everyone. This camper isn't meant for families of 5. It's not for hauling gear for extreme adventures. It's not about speed or power. This is for solo travelers, couples, digital nomads, artists, and minimalists. People who value freedom over size, experience over excess, and creativity over convention. The 2027 Tiny Camper Tricycle RV feels like a statement, a rejection of oversized vehicles, massive